खूब व नाखूब अमल की हो गिरा वाह क्यों कर गर हयात आप ना हो शारह असरार हयात. The paradox of right and wrong, by that I mean what is included in right and what includes in wrong. Are my actions right or wrong? My right can be your wrong, and vice versa. So, who's actually right and who was wrong all along? So, it gets quite complicated. But this paradox can be solved. There is this one condition that needs to be met first, and that condition is your life holds secrets in it. It must bring all those secrets out. Your life should manifest itself to the full potential that it has, and that's all. That's the condition. As this condition is met, sun of the very next morning will bring, wrapped in sunlight, solution to the paradox of right and wrong at your doorsteps. Are you ready to open the door?